need to be scared. You've been on Shoot the Chutes.
It goes over, yeah.
You've been on one of the better ones.
Which ones?
The Jurassic Park one.
That's not good. That's a bad one. That's a bad one. What do you mean? That's a good one. It's a good one. That's a bad one. That's probably my top baddest. And this is probably going to be my second baddest.
You'll be fine, sweetheart.
No, I won't.
Love you.
I hate you. What did you get me on? Help.
Thrill ride.
Help. Help. Help.
Have you ridden this before?
No, it's her first time.
First time? It's our first time too.
My dad's ridden it.
No, I
Ridden it
haven't.
before?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah?
No, I haven't.
You have.
No, I haven't.
No, yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you
This is
have.
my first time on
Earth
it.
Tremors.
Tim and I did not do it. Tremors, Kaya.
Earth Tremors. Oh no.
So this is Escape from Pompeii, where a volcano happened. A volcano erupted on the city. Volcano erupting.
I don't like this.
You're okay, Kaya.
No.
Hey, you're okay. I'm right here. Your daddy's right here. What time is it?
Oh God. I do not like this.
Earth tremors.
I hate this. I really hate this. Oh snap. Oh snap. I hate this.
Oh wow, we're going down. Here we
I
go.
hate this. I hate this.
Don't mess with the buckets and my feet dry, they're already wet. Here we go. Wave to him.
Here we go, Bubba. Yep, hold on. Here we go.
Oh God.
You're fine.
I am not okay.
You're fine. You survived.
Only because water came over and splashed us, not
We
from
missed
the
one of
hill.
the most famous fire effects on this. There's supposed to be a fire effect on the ceiling.
Oh, you're dry.
God, good thing there wasn't.
I did? How did it just shoot off the floor?
If you're not riding it this time,
And that's why we
please
changed
take a
ours.
step back.
Our other
The
shoes.
gates are
It's
now closing.
okay. How was it? Did you like it? Yeah.
She survived.
You survived.
The fire was so warm and I hated it.
Yeah, it was really-
The fire was hot.
And that thing that fell over.
Yeah. I could have got wetter.
It was good.
This will be a backbreaking job. Leading down to this window.
Stand platform. Platform clear.
It felt refreshing though.
Welcome back. Once the boat has come to a full and complete stop,